Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a simple and precise way to create a 2x2 picture in Canva. This is perfect for passport photos, ID cards, tiny prints, or any project that requires exact sizing. With Canva's user-friendly tools, this process is straightforward and quick. First, navigate to Canva's homepage and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, click on the Create a Design button. This will reveal the Custom Size option. Choosing custom dimensions is crucial because it allows you to set your canvas to exactly 2 inches by 2 inches, ensuring your design comes out at the perfect size for printing or digital use. Next, check the units of measurement. By default, Canva may be set to pixels. Click on PX and change it to inches. This step is important because inches are the standard measurement for printed materials like passport photos. Once switched, type 2 in both the width and height boxes. This sets your canvas to a perfect 2x2 square. Being precise here is key, especially if your image will be used for official documents or other applications that require strict sizing. After entering the dimensions, click Create New Design. Canva will generate a blank 2x2 canvas for you to work on. From here, you can start designing. Add text, images, backgrounds, or other elements depending on your project. For example, if you're creating a passport photo, you might upload a headshot and adjust its position within the square. If it's for a creative print, feel free to explore Canva's design elements to enhance your image further. Paying attention to dimensions and units early ensures your final design fits its intended purpose perfectly. Without this step, your project might not meet the required size, which can be frustrating, especially when printing. Canva also lets you experiment with additional features like frames, filters, and shapes, giving your 2x2 image a polished and professional look. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to make a precise 2x2 picture in Canva. Whether for personal use, official documents, or creative projects, understanding how to adjust your canvas size and units is a fundamental design skill. Don't forget to explore Canva's other features to enhance your design and let your creativity shine. Thanks for following along and happy designing.